And we're back again working on the Tonka Bulldozer. So I've reprinted the part, redesigned, reprinted, and I'm about to try and put it on again. So let's have a go. So let's get this off of here. Actually, this time we're not going to forget to put the lock nuts in first. As you can see, it's printed in two colors because I ran out of black. Alright, now we can get this on here. Oh, it's still flexing a little bit, but I think that should be good now. Maybe if I need to change it again, I'll add some ribbing inside. Now, time to try it. See how it fits. See how close it comes now? Yeah, I really have to cut these off because it's touching on this side here. And there we go. It's all the way over now. Doesn't touch anymore. So let's get the wheels on and try it out for real. So I was about to put the screws in order to be able to try on the tracks again, but my screw holes are not aligning. So I got to readjust again, and I guess it's time to fix this piece here, bring it out farther, and maybe add a bit of ribbing inside here to strengthen it a little bit more. But I guess we're getting there. I hate little mistakes like this. But hey, we learn and we move on, right? So let's go back to the drawing board again.